Just want to make a quick walk around video of my Lexus. It's an 04 LS430. It's got 122, almost 123,000 miles on it. Absolutely love this car. It is so smooth. It rides unbelievably. It has newer Michelin tires. They only have 4,000 miles on them. I've had it for a couple of years now. It's an extra car for me. I don't drive it all that often, but one of my favorites, like road trips. I haven't washed it in probably 2 or 3 months, but it's garage kept, so you can see that it's still pretty clean. But I mean, it is dusty, and there's some dirt there behind the wheels. Looks like a little bit. But hands down, I've owned quite a few vehicles, and the LS, even the old 400s, I've had those before, and this is my second LS430. I'm sold on them. It rides like a Cadillac. I mean, just the ride quality, but the reliability of a Toyota. I mean, it's just an unbelievable vehicle. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. Hey guys, if you liked my video, you can check out other videos right here, just like it. Please hit my subscribe button, and thanks for watching.